Hey everyone, and welcome to The Lockdown, where we share all the best tips and tools to protect your WordPress login page. I'm your host, Greg Fisher, Chief Marketing Officer of Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. On today's show, we're going to talk about when brute force attacks are most likely to occur and what precautions you can take to be best prepared. Let's get started. Let's imagine you are in an e-commerce store and it's Cyber Monday. This is the best time of the year for your online business. You notice that your website is running slower, and the next thing you know, your site is under a serious brute force attack. Although brute force attacks can happen any time of the year, our analysts at Limit Login Attempts Reloaded have found patterns that point to increased activity around the holidays, particularly November, December, and the beginning of summer. It is our belief that hackers choose these months for a couple of reasons. To start, in the event of a data breach, most users will be much slower to respond if they are on vacation. This allows the hackers more time to complete their objectives before you notice their impact. Second, the increased traffic and sales during the holiday shopping season puts e-commerce stores in a vulnerable position if they are hacked. Hackers may use this as leverage to hold your site ransom. So what can you do about it? To start with, be sure that you have strong account and password policies within your organization. I've included in the show notes below a login security checklist that can be used. Second, install the Limit Login Attempts Reloaded plugin to Limit Login Attempts. It's free to start, and you can reduce the impact of brute force attacks today. Lastly, if you want to ensure your website operates at its optimal performance during a brute force attack, consider upgrading to the premium version of Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. By connecting the cloud app to your website, failed login attempts are redirected rather than absorbed by your local server. This feature will ensure that the next brute force attacks won't disrupt your user experience, providing you with peace of mind. There you have it, folks. Please see the show notes below for links and info. Thank you for watching The Lockdown, and be sure to subscribe for more videos and helpful content. Take care now.